Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we were mentioning that 25H2 has arrived on the Windows Insider's running release preview. And of course that means that soon, in the next few months, we will have 25H2 on main computers. Microsoft today has pretty much said that 25H2 will not have new features that aren't on 24H2. That means whatever happens or shows up in 25H2 as a feature when you update to that new version will also be on 24H2. So they will follow the same updates, the same features, which means that 25H2 is really just a increment in the number, the build number, and nothing more. Which, of course, makes you ask the question, why bother doing a 25H2 build if it's the same as 24H2? Of course, it does increase the time of support, because 25H2 will now give you 2 years starting from now, which means until 2027 to check out the new version. But it's starting almost to sound like maybe Windows 11 is winding down and not that much is going to happen next, which also makes you speculate that maybe the thinking is, well, time for a new version of Windows next year. That wouldn't be impossible. So we'll see what happens next, but Microsoft did say, whatever new thing you'll see in 25H2 is also on 24H2. So don't go and checking for anything that doesn't exist on 24H2. They, of course, share a close build number too. So when you look at, if you go to WinVer version, 24H2 right now runs on 26100, and 25H2 runs on 26200. Just like 22H2, 23H2 were very close together. It is simply a small increment in what is the same branch of Windows 11, basically. So I guess maybe also in there they're trying to continue to tweak 24H2, giving it a new number. That's also a reason that could be possible. You give it 25H2, doesn't sound like 24H2, so people might move on and say, oh, well, 24H2 was bad, so 25H2 might be better. So we'll see what happens next in here, but definitely not much to expect. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.